Well, in less than 24 hours, yet another siege has shocked Karachi. In this case, too, several are believed to have lost their lives. Well, less than 48 hours after a bloody attack on Karachi airport, terrorists struck again, this time near the busy airport. While 36 people were killed last time, Pakistan media claims that 5 people have lost their lives this time around. However, the police have announced that there are no deaths. The attack on the airport security force hostel prompted the officials to immediately pick up their guns and remain on guard for close to an hour. The gun battle could be heard from right outside the hostel. The Tehreek-e-Taliban has once again claimed responsibility for the attack. The terrorists fled the scene and combing operations are currently underway. Flights to Karachi, which had been stalled for close to an hour, have resumed once again. We understand that 4 to 5 terrorists attacked the airport security force camp. A gun battle raged on the second day after the Karachi airport incident. 5 people are reportedly killed, is what Pakistan media reported. However, the police stated otherwise. The police claimed that there are absolutely no casualties in the incident. My colleague Akshata joins us with more details on this. Well, Akshata, what more can you tell us?
Well, Nishita, we understand that things are calm now. Flight services have resumed at the Karachi airport, and we understand that unfortunately the security forces present there could not in fact take the terrorists into custody. They fled even before they could be caught, and it is understood that immediately after the firing stopped, which is when this forces realized, of course, that this terrorists had fled. It is being said that about 4 to 6 of them were present there, creating all that chaos and havoc. And as of now, it is being understood, of course, the Pakistani media reporting there that it is the Pakistani Taliban that is behind this particular attack, but the same hasn't been confirmed. The Taliban, yes, has come out and claimed responsibility for the attack. They have, of course, they were the ones who were responsible for the Sunday attack, which left 36 people killed in Karachi airport, and soon after they had promised that the agitations will only continue, and almost 24 hours later there, Nishita, we're looking at yet another attack, and once again, even as they claimed responsibility, they have stated that their attacks will continue. So no doubt things are very, very precarious right now at the Karachi airport, or all over Pakistan, in fact, as the forces brace themselves for any sort of sign of any attack from the Taliban there. And clearly it seems like Pakistan could be under siege at the moment from all these terrorists. And of course, things now are calm, but could in fact go off at any moment, considering that none of the terrorists have also been taken into custody, Nishita.
That's right. In fact, we understand that all 4 to 5 of the terrorists who had reportedly come in have managed to escape. Any confirmation as far as the security in the airport is concerned? As of now, this is the second attack that we're seeing in 2 days, and already the flights have resumed.
Absolutely. We understand, of course, Nishita, that they did not want to affect the flight services too badly. This wasn't at the Karachi airport, as was the case last time around. This time it was the security force hostel that was attacked, and hence, of course, we have seen a sea of security present there ever since Sunday's attack. So they were pretty organized, prepared for the attack, even you could say, and hence they did ensure that things were brought under control. Of course, they did not manage to overpower the terrorists as such. Now, there's little confusion with regards to the death toll there, Nishita. The police maintaining that nobody's been killed, that things are very much under control. But it is understood that 5 people could have been killed, according to the Pakistani media. And of course, we understand that latest reports suggesting from the Pakistani forces that in fact this attack was targeting the planes, it was targeting the aircraft that were present in that particular locality, that they were planning to bring down one of the planes, but fortunately it was in fact controlled before something that dangerous did take place. But unfortunately, once again, they have managed to escape, and that the forces will be looking at going ahead and tracking them down. We understand that heavy combing operations are currently on across the particular area, not just in Karachi airport, but all around, to ensure that if in fact these terrorists have made a run for it, they are caught somewhere close by by Nishita, so they can be questioned. And if there are any more attacks planned, the Pakistan forces will be well aware of it in advance and can prepare for such a case and provide additional security, Nishita.
Right, Akshata, thank you for joining us with all those details.